Hi, I'm Isaac Rodriguez, a business consultant. I'll give you a description of the top-down budget process in view of project management. Well, when you have a budget, it's essentially going to give you the detail of cost of a particular project. And the top-down is you look towards the total cost and then break it down into smaller parts. So if your project is going to cost $10,000 to do, let's say you're renovating a building. Now this building cost, the total is $10,000, and the project is going to take so many stages, so you break it down into demolition. That's going to cost, for example, in this case, $2,000. Then there's going to be rubbish removal, another $2,000. Then there's going to be labor, and so on. So you back into what the total budget is going to be by understanding its component parts. But you start with the top first, your total budget, and you go backwards from there. This way, you'll know if you have budgeted appropriately the total amount. Perhaps by the time you get down to the nitty-gritty in your project, that might have exceeded your total budget, in which case you're going to have to scale it back. So that is a way to look at the top-down budgeting process in view of project management. I'm Isaac Rodriguez, business consultant.